Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. So let's just get this out of the way. AI is not some futuristic sci-fi concept anymore. It's here, right now, and it's completely changing the game for students. The real question isn't if you're going to use it, it's how.
And if you think this is just some niche thing for a few techie students, think again. Get this, almost half, 48% of K-12 students are using AI tools every single week. That's not a small trend, my friends. That is a massive shift in how learning is done.
And this really brings us to the heart of the matter. For every student, AI is like a fork in the road. One path can make you a smarter, more efficient learner. But the other path? Well, it can lead you straight into academic trouble, and honestly, you end up learning a whole lot less.
So, how do you make sure you're on the right path? Here's our plan. We're going to look at the new reality of AI in the classroom. Then we'll break down the story of two very different students. After that, we'll dive into the major pitfalls to avoid, and then the fun part, all the power-ups you get when you master AI. Finally, we'll talk about what all this means for your future. Okay, first things first. We have to understand that AI isn't just a novelty anymore. It's becoming a fundamental part of daily schoolwork for millions.
I mean, think about it. It's being used for literally everything. You can feed your syllabus into an AI and get a custom study plan for the whole semester. You can upload dense lecture notes and get a quick summary. And when you're staring at that blank page for an essay, AI can help you brainstorm and get an outline going. It's everywhere.
Now, because AI is everywhere, every student faces a choice. And honestly, the way you decide to use these tools could define your entire education. It really boils down to two types of users. First, you've got this shortcut taker. This is the person who's just trying to get the work done. They copy-paste, they let the AI do the thinking, and at the end of the day, they don't really learn a thing. But then you have the smart user. This person sees AI as a partner, a tool to make their own brain work even better, to brainstorm, to organize, and to understand things on a much deeper level. So let's talk about that shortcut path for a minute, because it is loaded with some serious risks. Using AI the wrong way isn't just about being lazy. It can get you into real trouble.
Let's break down the 5 biggest pitfalls to watch out for. Number 1, you lose your own voice and just let the AI think for you. Number 2, and this is a huge one, plagiarism. Yes, just using AI text is still cheating. 3, AI hallucinations, and we'll get to that in a sec. 4, a lack of context, where you get an answer that's technically right but totally misleading. And finally, number 5, garbage in, garbage out. If the AI learned from bad data, you're going to get bad answers.
Okay, let's zoom in on that hallucination idea, because it's one of the biggest dangers out there. See, an AI isn't really thinking. It's just predicting what word should come next. And sometimes that process goes off the rails and it just makes stuff up. That sounds legit, but is totally fake.
This quote really hits the nail on the head. It can give you these perfectly written answers that are dead wrong, and it'll even invent fake sources to back it all up. This is why you can never, ever just trust what it gives you without checking it yourself.
And let's be crystal clear. Your school's rules on academic honesty have not gone away. Plagiarism is plagiarism, period. It doesn't matter if you copied it from a website or a chatbot. And don't think you're going to get away with it either. The tools that can sniff out AI written text are getting better every single day. All right, enough of the scary stuff. Let's flip the script and talk about the exciting part, the smart user path. Because when you learn to master AI, it can seriously supercharge your learning. This is where you start treating AI like your personal research assistant. Instead of getting stuck, you can just ask it, hey, brainstorm 5 different angles on this historical event. Or if you have a really dense academic paper, you can say, summarize the key arguments in this for me. It's an incredible way to kickstart your own thinking. And listen, this goes way beyond the standard chatbots. There are some amazing tools out there built specifically for school. You've got things like Perplexity AI or Licit, which are designed to find and summarize real, credible sources. Or check out something like Connected Papers, which actually creates a visual map to show you how different research studies are related. These are total game changers. Now, when it's time to actually write, AI can be an incredible editor. After you've got your draft done, you can ask it to check your grammar or suggest ways to make your sentences clearer. And honestly, one of the best uses, it can instantly format all your citations into APA, MLA, whatever you need. That alone saves so much time and headache. AI can also be your 24/7 personal tutor. You can paste in your class notes and tell it to make you a practice quiz. If you're stuck on a tough concept in chemistry or a math problem, you can ask it to break it down for you, step by step. The key here is you're using AI to understand the material, not just to get the answer.
Okay, let's bring this all home and talk about the big picture. This isn't just about getting a good grade on your next paper. This is about building a skill that you're going to need for the rest of your life.
If you boil it all down, this is the main takeaway. AI is here to assist you, not to replace you. It's a tool to make you more creative and more intelligent, not to do the work for you. You are always in the driver's seat. So if you remember anything, remember these 4 simple rules. 1. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. 2. Always, and I mean always, double-check what it tells you. 3. Make sure your own unique voice comes through loud and clear. And 4, know your school's rules. Stick to these and you'll be on the right track.
Look, learning how to use these tools the right way is quickly becoming a critical skill, just like knowing how to type or search the internet. Knowing how to prompt an AI, how to analyze its answers, and how to use it ethically, that's going to be essential for whatever you do after school.
So that's the choice you've got to make. Is AI just a cheat code for you, a risky shortcut that might actually make you learn less? Or is it a skill, a powerful tool that you're going to master to do amazing work? The only question left is, are you ready to level up?